By replacing this piece right here on a vehicle that has over 200,000 miles, it should increase my fuel mileage per gallon. It also should stop over 90% of the oil use. Good morning. Today we will be working on my 2010 Prius. We will be replacing the PVC valve. So the valve looks like this, and it is hidden somewhere underneath the intake manifold right here. Sits, I guess, like this. So you'll need to remove all this area right here, including the intake manifold, replace the valve, and then reassemble everything back up. So as we proceed, I will show you what we're doing. And by replacing this piece right here on a vehicle that has over 200,000 miles, it should increase my fuel mileage per gallon. It also should stop over 90% of the oil use, possibly even 100% of it, according to what I've been able to research on the web. So very important, because at this point I am definitely using a lot of oil, and I believe I used three quarts of oil for the 2,000 miles it took me to get to Boise, Idaho from Kentucky. So I'll be loosening up some of these things. I do apologize, this portion of the video where I was starting to put it all together failed to record, so please proceed.